So the decision to standardize on Smarthood throughout Ballad Health was very easy, actually, because when you look at the components that are available and just the continued partnership as well with Smarthood as a company, it was really pretty simple.
I think our starting point, like a lot of hospitals, was a blend of a camera off of eBay, a computer that the OR uses, a whole kind of mix and match of different pieces that we tried to put together into a single workflow. And so for us, as we started looking at the Smarthood and what it would enable us to do, we were really looking for a solution that would streamline and bring all of that together to create a streamlined, standardized process. We were consistently cited in surveys for breaking the sterile barrier too many times. When you have a computer and a scanner that is outside of the hood, and then you're trying to compound inside of the hood, and you're constantly looking back and forth, it creates a lot of opportunities for breaking that barrier, which then creates a lot of opportunities to be non-compliant with how you handle yourself as you move in and out of that barrier. And so that was something we struggled with pretty consistently.
With the Smarthood, it's a lot easier. My screen is actually inside the hood. That makes things so much better. So even if I have to retake a photo, I don't have to leave the hood. It increases the speed of my workflow. It saves me a solid 5 minutes. The dispense prep altogether from start to finish to the patient, being able to streamline those photos, be able to complete everything inside the hood, including printing that label, I'd say it would take off a solid 10 minutes from start to finish.
I had foot surgery a couple of years ago, and just the turning the up and down, a little bit cumbersome for me, just because of that. But with the new equipment, I don't have to worry about, am I going to have to turn around? Do I have to get up? Do I have to move around a lot? It's all right there, right in the front, without, a lot of manipulation.
Humans are always prone to error. So just that it gives you the recipe for whatever product you're making, that it can scan the barcode and tell you if it's the right drug. I mean, all of those are small catches, but they're huge catches at the same time. Because whether it's putting it in the wrong fluid or putting the wrong drug in, having that technology to catch it is a huge patient safety win.
So having a hood that is truly designed start to finish around IV workflow is something that I think actually speeds up. It's not just one little thing. It's not the labels. It's not the trash chute or the camera position or any one thing. It's that whole combination of the entire hood start to finish that really enables an efficient process.
What's incumbent upon pharmacy leaders is that they ensure that as they bring forth innovations and things that do decrease time, that doesn't vaporize, that is redeployed to something that is of high value to the organization. It's critically important that pharmacists are practicing at the top of their license. And so working again with technologies that allow the pharmacist to deploy to bedside, that they can still, they can check a video feed, they can check camera, they can check photos, whatever it might be, but to keep them at the patient bedside, because the value of a pharmacist comes from their cognitive abilities, not their ability to, whether it's look, stick, count, and pour, or do a drawback or whatever it might be, push down to our technicians all those things that they're able to do, and then let the technicians practice at the top of their license as well.